friends, this is Rakesh. Now we are going to discuss about do while. Generally, there are three basic looping control statements in Java: for, while, and do while. We have already discussed about for and while in the previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please go and watch that video and then come to this video for better understanding purposes. Let's come to the definition of do while. The Java do while loop is used to iterate a part of a program several times. So what it's stating is this do while does content that is present inside the braces would be executed n number of times if the condition is satisfied. For example, we can relate this do while with a real life scenarios. For example, we will have breakfast, lunch, and dinner daily. So till we present on the earth, we will do these operations daily. So this kind of things needs to be these are the mandatory things that would be happen every day. Similarly, there are some operations that need to be iterated n number of times in software that can be done using loop control statements like for, while, and do while. There is some speciality in do while. We will discuss about that speciality in the later part of this video while explaining the program. So in this program, we will try to print the table numbers. For example, 3 into 1 equal to 3, 3 into 2 equal to 6, up to 3 into 10 equal to 30. So for that, first we need the table number. So int table number equal to 3, and then we need the table index. Table index in the sense 3 into 1, here 1 is the table index, 3 into 2, here 2 is the table index, 3 into 3, here 3 is the table index. And then our do while syntax: table index lesser than equal to 10. Since we are trying to print the tables from 3 into 1 up to 3 into 10, we are using this condition, table index lesser than equal to 10, and then we are trying to print using system.out.println. Table number, here table number would be 3, so into table index, that would be 1, 2, 3 for each iteration, and then our actual operation. And then what we need to do is we need to increase the table index counter. So for the first time, what we do is the table number would be 3, 3 into 1 equal to 3, and then the table index would be incremented to 2. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 lesser than equal to 10. Then 3 into 2 would be 6 would be printed. Similarly, 3 into 3 till table index is less than 10, this operation would be executed 10 times. So suppose if you run this program, you would see the following output: 3 into 1 up to 3 into 10 equal to 30. So the speciality of do while comes here, because the condition is specified at the end of the do while statement. That's the speciality, because the condition is specified at the end at least one time. If the number of iterations is not fixed and you must have to execute a loop at least once, it is recommended to use do while statement. Here the condition is specified at the last. So even though the condition is not satisfied at all, for example, is here 11 is not lesser than equal to 10. According to the while loop, if you are using this while loop instead of do while, means that it won't print any statement at all, but in do while it will print for one time. 3 into 11 equal to 33. The reason behind that is the table index is equal to 11. Here there is no condition statement, so it will just ignore that and it will try to print 3 into 11 equal to 33, and the table index would be incremented to 12 lesser than equal to 10, false. So that's the use of do while. The main motto of the do while is execute at least once, even if the condition is not satisfied. So thanks for watching this video.